Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this integration. This is from high school, so I need to show you the step by step to answer this one. So I will put number 2 on numerator and the denominator. So we have the formula in here. So we need to transform this one into this one, and that is about sine of 2s plus 2c. Now we have the second formula in here. That is about cosine a 1 over 2 cosine of a minus b minus cosine of a plus b. So this one that is about capital A, this one that is about capital B. So we need to transform this one into this one. So a that is about s plus a minus s minus b. So we have 8 minus b. The next one we have a plus b. So we have 2s plus a plus b. Now number 2 and 1 over 2 we cancel. So in this one we can put like this. So we need to focus on this one. So I will put cosine of 8 minus b go outside because this is about the numbers. So this one that is about cosecant of 2s plus 2c. So the integration of this one that is about negative 1 over 2 Ln of the absolute value of cosecant of 2s plus 2c plus cotangent of 2s plus 2c. And I will put about the c in here. That is about the constant. Now we need to focus on this one. So we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to 2s plus 2c. Now because we have 2s, so I will put this one go to the left. Next we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have number 1. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. This one we have number 1. because we don't have number 2, so we need to divide both sides by number 2. So this one we change for u. 2x, that is about this one. Dx we change for this one. So for this one we can put like this. Now we have the formula in here. So 8, that is about u. B, that is about this one. Now we need to transform this one into this one. So sine u divided by sine u, we got number 1. Cosine u divided by sine u, we keep the same. So we have the formula in here. So in this one, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about t equals to sine u. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have cosine u du. So this one we change for t. Cosine u du, that is about dt. The integration of this one we got like this. So about t, that is about sine u. So the integration of this one, that is about this one. The integration of this one, this is about the numbers, so you got about u. About u, that is about this one. So we need to go back in here. The integration of this one, that is about this one. The integration of this one, that is this one, but I forget 1/2 in here. So we have the negative, so we change the sign of this one in here. And we have positive, because negative and negative, we have positive. Number 2 divided by number 2, you got about s plus c. And here is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.